Hello everyone, very good evening, good afternoon, Shweta and everyone, good evening. Who all we have? Let me check very quickly. Okay, first of all, I will make everyone unmute. A small group, everybody can talk, and decent group, so nobody will disturb. I know. Okay, who else on my top of screen always? The three Murti we have. My famous Trimurti, we have Kripa, we have Sanvi, and we have Hridaya. Good. You are my top three students. Kripa, Hridaya, and Sanvi we have. Then we have Shweta. Hi Shweta, very good afternoon. Then, yes, Shweta.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you. So, we have Gauri, we have Jagat, Ritesh. Welcome. We have Pratibha and Twinkle. And who else? Vinayak. Okay, and I believe some more people are still joining. Shriya will be joining, I think. Siona will be joining. Let's start. So, guys, we start very quickly. I'll come to. Yes, I am good. So let's start. Yeah, Shriya joined. See, I was just talking about her. So, very good evening, guys. See, yesterday we started with lines and angles. Everybody, oh, Siona also joined. See, I was just talking about Siona and Siona is there. Long live Siona. I was just talking about you.
Sir, I just needed a help.
Tell me.
Actually, here I'm just getting notifications that my internet is not strong. So, like, I wanted to log in from my.
Come to my home. I'll teach you personally. Tell me what you want to say.
Like, I wanted to log in from the phone also. Like, so actually don't know the meeting ID. I know the
meeting
password.
ID. I'll read out or I'll tell you. Meeting ID is this.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Can we put on chat?
Yes, sir.
Meeting ID is AM385699856996. I think 6141. But it becomes so big nowadays. Huh? I also don't realize. It becomes so big meeting ID. It used to have 10 digits. It become 11 now. Very good. Just check. Let me verify everywhere else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11. Correct.
Sir,
11 digits.
Even I have.
Yes, everybody will have, obviously. Without meeting ID, you can't join. See, okay, Kripa. So let me start. Kripa was on mute, but I understood what she said. Okay, let's start. So, guys, we started with lines and angles. Today we are going to start with triangles, and it's a big topic, guys. We might complete it in 2 sessions, or I don't decide it depending upon your speed and my speed. It is not it is triangle. So we are going to cover either today full or half of that, half tomorrow. Because triangle and circle, total we take 3 classes between triangle and circle. My plan is very clear. Today and tomorrow we'll complete triangles and circle in next 3 days. Today, tomorrow, and day after. Okay. Oh, one more Kripa joined. Good. So now we have triangles. Tell me, what is triangle, Sanvi? Have you heard about?
Yeah, sir. Triangle is a shape with which has 3 sides and 3 corners.
Correct. Suppose you make a chapati, you make a triangle, correct?
Sir, we make in circle.
But you try to make circle become triangle, right?
Yeah, sir.
So what is triangle really? Who will explain me triangle really, Jagat? What is triangle really? Jagat or Twinkle? Yes, Jagat.
Yes, sir. But I don't know.
Triangle really?
Same as Tanvi told. It's
Okay. Okay, looks like an audio problem. Gauri, what is triangle? Before I come to Twinkle. Twinkle anyway will answer, I know fully. Gauri, what is a triangle means really? How do you define a triangle, Gauri? And everybody has an option to unmute. Please unmute wherever you need. Gauri, are you there? No problem. Twinkle, are you there?
Kripa, you're connected with your two devices. Better to connect with one, else the voice will like everywhere. Or you just unmute yourself with one.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
actually I have
By the time his sir
kept
is
mute
joining us
in
back,
the other
let's talk about.
device.
Hello, I am back now.
Okay.
Sorry, this what happened is internet connection. Yes, you are saying something, Shweta.
No, I was saying by the sir is back, let's talk about triangles.
Okay, yeah, that's good. So yeah, okay. So Kripa, I am seeing you too. That's so nice. That's good. So let's start. So I was asking about triangle.
Sir, I got one more definition for triangle.
Google,
No, sir.
tell me.
Sir, the triangles will be there. No, sir. It has three sides. All the three sides are the like. What do you say? We have the angle of 180 degree.
Okay, that is property. I'm just asking what is triangle. Okay, twinkle or twinkle is not there. Siona will explain. Hi Siona, what is a triangle? Siona, you can unmute yourself and tell me what is a triangle means really. What kind of figure is a triangle? Siona, what happened to audio today? Very few people are not going to talk. Twinkle, are you able to hear me? Are you able to unmute or not? Today, what is happening? People are not listening, or audio is not working, or they don't want to answer.
Okay.
Except Sanvi, nobody is talking.
I can
Sir,
hear.
me.
I know
Like-
Shweta ma'am can talk, but still, I want first everybody else to stay. Who else want to?
Sir,
Yes, Kripa, tell me.
So triangle is a shape or a polygon with three sides.
Polygon with three sides. Okay, okay,
Sir,
okay,
it is a two-dimensional figure.
okay. Good. Tell me. I put three lines like this. Is it triangle or not?
No.
Nobody said it's a closed figure. Why? Did anyone say closed figure? No. People say three
Sir,
sides,
Twinkle said.
Twinkle, I was not able to hear me. Twinkle said to you. Twinkle, why you said hello to
No,
her?
so she said it in chat.
Oh, is it? I not seen the chat. So triangle, guys. Listen, I am going to go to very, very core. Some of you will know, some of you will not know. Yes, triangle is a closed figure. First thing, closed figure with three sides. Three sides. Okay. Listen very carefully what I am trying to say. Triangle is a closed figure with three sides. Yeah, it's a polygon with number of sides equal to 3. All polygons are anyway closed figures. So that's it. Now, suppose I put the name as A. What A, B, and C are called? Vertex. Correct? A, B, C are three vertex, three internal angles, three sides. Right? Everybody knows that. Closed polygon, Pratibha, three edges, three vertices. Correct, Pratibha. Now tell me some important properties of triangle. Believe me, when I take interview for when I was Samsung or Motorola also, though it was a software company, I used to take interviews to select my team members or team members for Motorola. I used to ask simple program. Can somebody write a simple program to find out if I give you sides of length of three sides, which type of triangle it is? I'm going to ask you also. But before that, what are the important properties of triangle?
Sir, one property which I said that all the sides of the triangle together make up 180 degree.
Side. What, Sanvi?
Yes.
Side is in meter or angle?
Sir, angle only.
Sides are in angles.
Yes, sir.
So you are saying, I'll say my side AB is 5 centimeter or 5 degree?
Sir, you should tell 5 degree.
No, Sanvi. No.
Sir, but
Length of the side. Length of the side. I'll come to that. What you're telling is the internal angle, Sanvi. You are saying this. Not the side AB, BC. No, not. I'm not asking that. You have read somewhere. Some of the angles are 180, which is correct. But AB, BC, AC are not angles. They are sides. Side of triangles are AB, AC, and BC. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. What you are saying is sum of the three angles is 180. But I'm not asking that. I'm asking the more property. Which is the most important property to form a triangle? Who is singing? Good. I think Kripa was singing. That's fine. That's go so nice. I was not knowing. So guys, tell me, anybody knows what is the basic property to form a triangle? You can tell me in audio, please. No need to write. Arya, equilateral triangle. Okay, I'll come to the types of triangle. Before that, Pratibha, open your audio and tell me. Unmute.
Sir, the properties of triangles are the sum of the interior angles will be 180 degree,
Okay.
and the sum of the length of two sides will be greater than the third side.
Wait. So now that is the point I'm trying to bring. Everybody, if I say, listen very carefully. Believe me, many people don't know. If I say AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter, AC equal to 12 centimeter. Will it form a triangle or not? Three sides are there. Yes, right, Kripa? Right, everybody? It's form a triangle. But no, guys, it is not.
No, sir. Yes.
That's the point. Yeah, I know Twinkle knows. Guys, it does not mean that if I give any three sides, you form a triangle. I'll tell you what will happen. That's why I asked you what Pratibha said or Twinkle said. See, triangle angle is different. Angle is later. First thing is the sides. If suppose you make AC as 12, suppose this is 12, okay? Suppose, let me put it here. AC. Suppose you make AB as 5. Say AB as 5, suppose. You know what will happen now? You want BC equal to 4. Say BC equal to 4. Wait. I'll tell you why triangle BC equal to 4. It will not become closed. Can you believe that? Or you try something else. You try to, you know why? Because there's a very few people know. People who are really know maths, they know. Any three sides I give you, it is not necessary to form a triangle. And the rule is, Twinkle, do you want to tell what is the basic rule to form a triangle in terms of sides, please? Twinkle, unmute. It says sum of any two sides. Twinkle, can you tell?
Sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side.
It cannot be equal also. Guys, many people, this is the most basic rule of triangle. Should be always greater to third side. Any two sides. It means even if you put a side like say 5 and 7 and 12, it will not form a triangle. You know why? See, it will happen like this. It will be collinear points. So this will suppose this is here second, and this will go. Suppose AB is 5. See, I'll give you an example also, practical example. Suppose this is my A. This is B. AB is 5, correct? Then BC is 7. This C. This is 5. This is 7. And AC is 12. 5 plus 7, right? These are all constant lines. It's not triangle, become a line only. So the necessary and must property to form triangle is sum of any two sides should always be greater than third side. And believe me, many people don't know. This is our triangle, three sides, three angles. No, yeah, that doesn't work. You have to be absolutely superb in your concept. So this is not a triangle at all. These are collinear points. They will form all into three lines. Tell me, this triangle 3 points, are they collinear or not? Answer everybody. This 3 point, point A, point B, and point C, are they collinear point or non-collinear point? Who will answer? I know Twinkle knows, I know Pratibha knows, I know Shweta knows. What are others? I know many of you know. Just tell me yes or no. Are A, B, C in the triangle above, are they collinear point or non-collinear? Only three answers. Collinear, linear, or don't know. Only three answers. Tell me. They are, okay, I'll write also here what I'm trying to say. Collinear points. I think spelling is wrong. It comes collinear points. Non-collinear points. So in the triangle ABC, this ABC are collinear or non-collinear? Arya, okay, I'll explain. Collinear point means those points which are in one line. So if you see this point, one point, this 2 point, this 3 point are same line. So collinear. But these 3 points are not in same line. So non-collinear. Suppose I'll give one more example, everybody. Suppose 1 point is here, 1 point is here, and 1 point is here. They are collinear or non-linear? Collinear or non-collinear? Very easy. Try to form a line. If they all form in same line, they are collinear. Then you cannot form a triangle. Correct? But if I move any of the point, see, I am doing a practical demonstration. If I put any point like this, now see what happens. Now your line becomes, now you can form a triangle. So triangle is formed only when with 3 non-collinear points. These are non-collinear because not in same line. Got it? If points are not in same line, non-collinear. If points are in same line, collinear. So tell me, Kripa, triangles can be formed with collinear point or non-collinear point?
Non-collinear point.
Correct. So why the definition is says sum of any two sides be greater than third side? If it is not met, then point will be in the same line. So you will not form a triangle, it become a line. Getting it, everybody? All 3
Yes.
points will form in a line. So they cannot form a triangle. That's it. Non-collinear is very important for geometry. Okay? Shweta, do you want to explain in your way? Same collinear, non-linear, triangle merge property. Before we go to more deep about triangle properties. Shweta?
Yes, sir. I'm here. And yes,
I'll
collinear
clear
and
this. Yes.
yeah. Collinear and non-collinear is very like they look similar, but it's not. Collinear when they collide with each other. They are colliding each other. Like it's on the same line and you can see they're colliding. So you can say they're collinear. And non-collinear when they're apart from each other. You can see the distance between them.
Yes.
So it's like, that's why they call non-collinear. In triangle, it is always formed when we see 3 different points and they're joining together. And if we see the points on the same line, that triangle cannot be formed because they're colliding each other. It's
So,
a word from the collide is collinear.
Correct. Shweta, I'll give you one example. Explain with this whether this will form triangle or not.
Yes.
Again with AB equal to 4, BC equal to 5, AC equal to 50. And give another one, PQ equal to 2, QR equal to 3. And I'll give 3 examples, okay? So you explain all 3, whether they will form triangle or not. 4.
Yes.
And last is, say, XY equal to 4, YZ equal to 5, and lastly, XZ. Guys, this will clarify exactly whether in which of these 3 cases triangle will be formed and not formed. Please.
Okay. Let's see the first example where AB equals to 4, BC equals to 5, AC equals to 15. So now we can see the sum of 2 is not greater than the third one. Do you see that? Everybody can see that it's not greater than the third one. So if we even try to make the triangle, we cannot. If we take any line, like if we take 5 as a base or 4 as a base or 15 as a base, we cannot make it. Like take an exemption of 15. 15 is the longest length. If we start from 15, if we try to draw 4, slantly is always like higher. We need a higher line, like
Suppose
you
it is
see.
4. You're right.
Yeah. And if we trying to go for as much, like both sides, if we stuck 4 here and 5 here, if we join them, still also they can't reach to each other because their sum is less. Even if it is equal, then also it cannot because they will collide.
Right.
Even if it is equal, like any number which makes the total is 15. If we
Like
try
third example.
Yes. It's like you take a matchbox and when you have 2 sticks in your hand, and if the sticks are longer, then only you can make a triangle. If they are equal, they will stay on one line. You get it? If you take a matchbox and if your match sticks with you, and if it's one line, and when you need a higher, like, right? You see, if they are equal to the length, they will stay together. They cannot go high.
That's why, yes, that's why this is the most important property to form a sum of any two sides must always be greater than third side.
Yes.
And
So now
many
we
people
can-
don't know. It's not that many people don't know about triangle. They just, and that is the question you see in the difficult exams.
Yes. Try with the example of matchbox. Matchbox, if you do sides like which is less than the sum of the two sides, make a smaller pieces than the sum of that. You cannot make the triangle.
They will fall in
Anytime
line.
you can, like practically, you can try with the matchbox.
Thank you, Shweta. Good, guys. What is triangle and what is the basic to form triangle? Now, as Sanvi was saying, first thing, that sum of the angles, right? Sum of the internal angles, guys. Let me form a triangle. Let me form a triangle. Guys, one thing is there. We might not cover too much, but what we'll cover is the accepted solid. You will, if your base are solid, your next 5 years of mathematics of geometry will become good. Okay? So try to get every concept exactly right. Okay? Now, as I said, suppose say vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. A, B, C are vertices. Okay, the corners. It's very important to know everything. Vertices are A, B, C. Sides are AB is one side, BC is one side, AC is another side. Correct? Angles, internal angles I am talking about. What is angles? Angle A, angle B, or angle C. Or the best way to write is angle BAC. Angle BCA. Angle ABC. Three angles. Three angles, three vertices, three sides. Simple. Now, based on this, we have properties of triangle, types of triangle. Types of triangle. I think everybody knows very quickly. Types of triangles. It is totally based on sides. If all sides are equal, as Arya was saying at that time, right, Arya? It is known as equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Getting it, guys? First thing is equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. Angles I'll come to later. Second, any two sides are equal. It is known as isosceles. Iso word itself means two. Isomer, isotop, iso means two. So isosceles triangle. And third, if none of side are equal, it is known as scaling. Say again.
Scaling.
Say, somebody was saying something. Hridaya,
Yes, sir.
you are saying something?
Sir, then what is known as quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral is four sides. We'll come to that after we finish. Quad means four. Sanvi, wait. I'll write more, then you take a photo. And take my photo also. So, okay. So, here quad means four. All the figure with four sides, closed four sides are known as quadrilaterals. I'll explain that in our quad chapter, okay? So, guys, these are three types of triangle, but not finished. No based on angles. We have one more type based on angles. Fourth, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree. Okay, guys, right angle triangle. I'll give you example of right angle triangle. How does it look like? Right angle triangle is something like this. So I put like this. I put like this. I'll come to properties, but let us very clearly explain what it is. Right angle triangle. Why right angle triangle? Because This angle is right angle, 90 degree. 90 degrees right angle. Like yesterday I told, right? It is known as right angle triangle. And there is something more. One more triangle which you should know. Right angle isosceles triangle. Who will explain me this? Tell me, who will explain me this?
Sir, I think this is like one angle is 90 degree and the other two sides are equal.
Very good, Kripa. Very good, Kripa. So, guys, it's all about, see, suppose this is my base. And I put triangle like this. Again, don't go with scale, but go with the philosophy. So, in this case, my this side is equal to this side. The lengths are equal. So, isosceles. And one angle is 90. Suppose this is 90. It is known as right angle isosceles triangle. 5 triangle. But the most difficult triangle is, which is not in your course, it is only CAT subject. You will not see 9, 10th, 11th, 12th or any of this. That is one of the very rare, very few people know. It is 30, 60, 90 triangle. I'll explain when you do. 30, 60, 90 triangle. Believe me, only 2% knows. 30, 60, 90 triangle. There are special properties about it. It's like one angle is 90, one is 30, one is 60. That's it. But there is important properties. Clear, everybody? Types of triangles based on angles.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, based on angles, we have two more triangles. Two more types of triangles.
Like obtuse angle triangle.
Obtuse angled and acute angled.
I know, because it all depends upon. Tell me, can you call this triangle the acute angle triangle or not?
Sir, yes.
Yes, it's all names. You are right. And if I make a triangle like this, something which, like somebody is like.
Sir, obtuse angled is like one angle should be more than 90 degree.
Thank you, Sanvi. You are right. So obtuse angle. So here what happens? Here is like one side is
less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree.
Which side? Which, not side, angle.
Yes, sir, angle.
Which angle is more than 90 degree?
Sir, the left one.
Not left one, the bottom one. Got it? So you can do a lot of things. You can say acute angle, but these are all. Main thing is isosceles, equilateral, and scaling. Clear? Sanvi, open audio.
Sir, I was telling 1 minute. I'll take a screenshot.
Yes, please. Any question, anybody? Because I'm going to ask few questions now. I'll write the side of a triangle. Everybody will write answers which type of triangle it is, okay? Clear. Identify the type of triangle very quickly. GTG. Identify type of triangle. Okay? A. First is, I'll say 1. Question first is AB equal to 4, BC equal to 6, AC equal to 6. You keep writing your answer. I'll keep writing my question. Question 2. AC equal to 3, BC equal to 6, AB equal to 5. Third, AC equal to 3, BC equal to 2, AC, BC, AB equal to 2. Fourth, AB equal to 5, BC equal to 4, AC equal to 10. Sixth, AB equal to 5, BC equal to 4, AC equal to 4.5. Sorry, it was 5th question. Sorry. 6th, PQ equal to 9, PR equal to 3, QR equal to 6. Keep writing fast, guys. 7th, PQ equal to 2.2, PR equal to 1.2, PQQR. QR equal to, write everybody 7 questions quickly. Okay, let's start very quick. I ask a question and you will write. First triangle, which type of triangle? First one. Tell me the first one very quickly. Isosceles, correct. Iso. What about second one? Question number 2 now. Scalene, correct. Question number 3. Question number 3, guys. Only 3 I am asking now. Don't go ahead. Question number 3, please. Write the in your answer 3 dots, so I know which you are telling. Question 3, 3, 2, 2, isosceles. Very good, Twinkle. Thank you. Question number 4, fast. Scalene, okay. Guys, question number 4, scalene. Okay. Question 4th is not a triangle. I know people will forget. If nobody answer 4th is a triangle. Fourth is not a triangle. See, 5 plus 4. Yeah, I intentionally gave this because I want to see whether you pay attention to or not. Question number 5. Question number 5. Scalene. Question number 6. Six, not a triangle or collinear, whatever. Question number 6 is again not a triangle. See, 9, 3 and 6. Shweta also says clearly, sum of two sides should be not also equal, should be greater than. Right? Not a triangle. What about 7th one?
Sir, how it's not a triangle?
See, sum of two sides. 3 plus 6 is 9 only, right? We should have a greater than, right?
Sir, but we should add 4. Okay.
Ask me if you doubt.
No, sir. I thought we should add only the first 2.
No. Any 2. Question number 7th is I think it's pretty clear, right? Can I ask some question now? True, false? Simple true, false? Huh? Shall I check your knowledge? Let's try. Kripa, answer this question.
Sure, sir.
A triangle can have 2 acute angles. True or false? That's what you'll say. Just true or false?
I think it's false.
How?
Yeah, it can be there.
Tell me true or false?
True.
How? I'll ask again how in both the cases.
Okay, because acute angle means when it is
Less than
more
90.
more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. If it's
It can always
60
have.
and 60,
Correct?
then it will be true.
Hridaya, your question. Hridaya, unmute.
Yes, sir.
A triangle can have 3 acute angles. True or false? Everybody know yesterday
False,
acute angle means less than 90 and more than 0. True or false?
false, sir.
False or true? You said true earlier, then false. Decide one of them.
Then
False, sir,
Do a
false.
toss. Do a toss. That's the best. We don't know. Toss. That's it. Okay.
No, sir.
A triangle can have 3 acute angles. Yes. Correct? 60,
Oh, sir.
60, 60. Total
Okay,
angle should be 180 degree. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, if you put some angle 60, 60, 60, 60, 50, something, still we can have 3 acute angle, right?
Yes, sir.
True.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Siona. Siona.
Yes.
A triangle can have 1 acute angle and 1 obtuse angle.
True.
Or a triangle can have 2 acute angle and 1 obtuse angle.
True.
Explain. You are right. How?
Because if
it can be like 100, anything you can give any example. That's it. Correct?
Yeah.
Good. Siona said correct. Guys, a triangle can have 2 acute and 1 obtuse, right? Sanvi, a triangle can have angles as 30, 40, 50 degrees. True or false?
Right. False.
Why?
Sir, because when we add all of them, we don't get 180 degree.
So it cannot form a triangle. So
Yes.
false, guys. It should be 180, right?
Sir, I was like 40, 90, 30, 120. So I said no, false.
That's why I gave you easy question. Easy question means easy numbers, not in that concept. Gauri,
Yes, sir.
a triangle can have 40, 50 and 99 degree.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because 90 plus 99, it will be 189.
Okay.
And triangle can only have 180.
And very good. And everybody, if you answer, listen the reasons. So that is what we are learning. So your doubt will be clear. Twinkle. A triangle can have Twinkle.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
बहुत बढ़िया, sir.
Good. A triangle can have 2 right angles. Explain true or false, whichever it is. Why?
So this is false. Reason being, if there are 2 right angles, that means 90 degree and 90 degree, and the sum up will be 180 degree. But the important property of triangle is sum of 3 angles has to be 180 degree. Then in that case, if there are 2 right angles, third angle is 0 degree, then that means वो triangle ही नहीं रहा. It is
right, because third angle is 0, so triangle नहीं बनेगा. Very good, Twinkle. You explained beautifully. You can become a very good teacher. You want to be. You want to be. Then thank you, Jagat. Unmute, Jagat.
Yes, sir.
A triangle can have 2 obtuse angles.
False.
Explain how.
Because obtuse angle. No.
It is false, correct. But why?
Yes, because obtuse angle is
More than
90 degree. So 90, 90, 180. So
Yes.
180 plus, so it's not a triangle.
Correct. Thank you. Ritesh, please unmute. Ritesh, your question. A triangle can have 1 acute and 1 right angle. True or false?
It's true.
Correct. How?
Because one is a right angle is a 90 degree and one acute is less than 90 degree and rest of sure less than is 90 degree and all of 3 addition is 180.
Very good. Thank you. Arya, a triangle can have. It's a quiz, but it will find your knowledge so much. A triangle can have sides as 0, 1 and 2, 0, 1 and 2 centimeters.
This should be false because 0 centimeters is nothing.
Right. So it is. Yeah, right. It is not a triangle. Okay, I'll change it like this. Tell me now.
Sir, this is true. No, it's false because all these are different angles. I mean,
It is sides.
measurements.
So it is false. Why? Because again, sum of two sides is not greater than third side, right?
Yes, sir.
How will you correct it? To correct the length of any one of the sides to make it triangle. Arya, correct any one of the sides. So to make it a proper triangle. Shant, you are next. Tell me, Arya, which side you want to change how much to make a triangle out of this?
Sir, you could make the 1 into a 2, so it could be isosceles triangle.
No, but still 2 plus 2 is 4 only. Still property is not meeting, right? Sum of two sides should always be greater than third side. They will be collinear points, right? Or it will not meet. Correct?
Yes, sir.
It is 2 and 2 and 4 only. We need 5, more than 5, correct?
So we could do 4.
No, it's okay. 2, 4 and 5. Very good.
Yes.
Ishant. Ishant. A triangle can have side as 100, 100 and 100 centimeters. Is it? Ishant, true, false? Ishant, are you there? I'm not able to hear you. Okay. Pratibha.
Yes, sir.
This is true or false? A triangle can have side 100, 100, 100 centimeters. True or false?
True, sir.
Explain how. Pratibha, explain. It is true, correct.
Yes, sir. True, sir. Equilateral triangle has all three sides are equal, no, sir.
Correct. Then I can put like this also. All three sides equal, right? Or not?
Sir, it's true. Why? Because it can form equilateral triangle.
It is true, right? What Sanvi says?
Sir, as Shweta ma'am said that you can do it with a matchstick. You should not have all the like sides should not be equal. So it will be of course false.
Say again.
Sir, Shweta ma'am said that we can take the example of matchsticks. Yeah, in that she even said that it should not be equal. The two sides should not be equal.
Okay, that is the reason.
Not be
Yes.
Shweta, okay. So you are okay, Sanvi, the point is correct. But in the example, you have to see that or more basic thing. All zeros, guys. What are you saying? All zeros.
Yes, sir. Like if it's all zeros, then it will be nothing formed.
Then not for this, for 100. For 100.
No, I'm not saying 100.
So for
100
zero,
and
of course
100 also is okay. No. Okay. Tell me. If I put every side is 100, 100, it is false. What? I think you misunderstood. Shweta, do you want to explain again? People are thinking that they cannot be. This is equilateral triangle, proper equilateral triangle, right? Sum of two sides. Obviously greater than third, right? Sanvi, open audio. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 100 is obviously a proper example. But this one is not because zeros. You will not form a triangle. It's a point only, right? All same point.
Yes.
0. Clear, guys, what I'm trying to say? Absolutely clear, everybody? What triangles we're talking about? Because now I'm going to talk about something else about triangle, which is very, very important. Base. Another side. Okay, tell me guys this. Who will explain me these 3 terms on triangle? Very important triangle. Who will explain me one by one? 3 very important. You should know this. See, we are doing triangle basics, solid basics. What is altitude of a triangle? Tell me anybody. Who want to explain? Gauri or Siona or Hridaya? Who want to explain?
Altitude is like a central line, a line between the center line. One, like we take one vertices
So
and the
let me,
opposite of
so
that.
Shweta, let me put the name A,
Yes.
B, sorry, C. Tell me.
So here we start a line from the A and we go straight center to the BC.
Okay. So straight center means, guys, the most important point which many people forget is it's basically about this 90 degree.
90 degree.
It cannot be like this, guys. It cannot be like this. Let me open. Altitude means perpendicular. The most important, this cannot be. Altitude means the height. So if you see altitude, see this is the vertex. So the length is how much? This is the length of triangle, right? Height of triangle, right? Height, right? Altitude is nothing but height. Perpendicular. Altitude is the perpendicular height of a triangle. Height. So very important. When you say height, it will always be perpendicular distance. It cannot be any distance. So what Shweta says is, from opposite vertex, you put a line, perpendicular line to the opposite side. Then this A, and suppose I put point D. AD is called as altitude because it is perpendicular. Perpendicular is the most important one. Clear, everybody? Height of a triangle. Median. Who will explain me median now? Twinkle? Anybody else? Pratibha?
Sir, is medium will also come in the part of globe or not?
Globe? What globe it is?
No, I am asking because I have heard this.
I know you can ask me, but what median? Median means globe.
Sir, no, I don't know the meaning, but will it come in the in geography in globe? Does it come?
No, median is a midpoint. Simple. It can come anywhere. It can come anywhere. I'll explain, Sanvi. I know. So Arya, I understand, Arya. It is too late. So take a chill. Okay. Who want to explain median?
Sir, I didn't understand centroid.
Centroid I don't explain. In the last I'll explain.
Oh, okay.
Centroid you can understand only unless you understand the median and altitude. That's why. So guys, median is the, yes. Anybody saying something?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Jagat.
Yes, Jagat.
So we can draw a line from B point to on AC.
B point to AC, okay.
Yes.
So I draw one line from B to AC, okay. Where should I draw?
A midpoint. On midpoint of AC.
Guys, that is what the point. Very good, Jagat. Guys, median has nothing to do with perpendicular. Doesn't matter. Median, what he says is midpoint. Midpoint means this and these are equal. AC divided exactly into half. So then you can say BD is a median because BD divide AC to two equal parts. BD and the point, we divide the side into equal parts. No point of degree or angles. Got it? So BD is a median. So very good, Jagat.
So then medium is like, even if we cut the globe into half, it comes half. So we can use medium there also.
Ah, you are fond of globe. Very good. You can do that.
Sir, because I was thinking, yeah, I heard this word somewhere in geography.
See, median is mostly used in mathematics, statistics. Mean, median, mode. So Jagat, very good. Median which divides the opposite side into equal parts. So it can have three median, BD, AE, and something I put from C2. If I put like this, no. This is a median. Clear, everybody? Median. Now, who will divide the centroid?
The midpoint of the triangle is centroid.
Okay. How do you find out?
Which the 3 points met.
Guys, we already draw this, right? So this common point of this, it is called centroid. Center of a triangle. Centroid is the center of triangle. Suppose I form a triangle around the triangle like this. Okay, guys, and I put this one, and this one. Then suppose you term this point as G. Which point? This point. Say G. G is the centroid of triangle. But why centroid is so important? Anybody knows the property of centroid? The most important property of Gauri, whiteboard is there. Are you able to see, Gauri?
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Good. So everybody, why centroid is important? How to find centroid? See, the midpoint is okay, but you know what is the biggest property of centroid? It divides into 2:1. You know what does it mean? It's a most important property. Suppose this is A, okay, and this is B. So if suppose AB is suppose AB is say 3 centimeter, and if G is the centroid, then AG would always be 2 centimeter, and GB will be means the whole line AB divided to 2:1 part. That is what centroid means. Getting it? Centroid is the meeting point of the 3 medians. Centroid is the meeting point of the 3 medians. Tell me, Sanvi, any question?
Sir, I was asking that if in our exam they give anything like just they give a plain triangle and they tell us to find the centroid, how will we find it?
It depends on which triangle is there. Equilateral triangle, then obviously the center point. So whether you draw median or you draw altitude, it's same.
Sir, and scaling.
Scaling you can't. You need the center point dimension. See, they will give you question only when the data is there. Okay. Simple thing is you draw 3 medians. The meeting point of median is the centroid. The property is any triangle, the centroid point, it divides the side into 2:1 part. So tell me, everybody, let me ask you one question now. If I say this is my point P, this is my point Q, and if I say, everybody very careful what I'm asking, if PQ equal to 15, tell me how much will be PG? Tell me guys. Let's see who does it. Gauri and Ritesh says 5, okay. So answer is 10 or 5. Kripa say not sure. Twinkle say 5. Trivia say 10 or 5. Again, use the same concept. Centroid is the point from the opposite vertex. We started from the vertex from here. from here. So this divide this into 2:1. 2 part will be 1. This 1 part is this. 15 ka 2:1. This is 10. This is 5. So answer is 5, which is correct. 2:1. Start from the vertex. Which is bigger part? GQ is bigger, right? So GQ is 10 and PG is 5. Okay? Clear absolutely? See, so fast 1 hour went. We learned very important properties of triangle. So tomorrow we are going to do more deep on this. Some theorems and all this.
Sir, can you explain this once more? I didn't understand.
What is centroid means, Sanvi?
So centroid means the middle part of triangle.
What is the property of centroid?
Sir, it is like 2:1.
Okay. 2:1 means what?
Sir, a triangle is divided into 2 parts out of 1.
Not triangle, the side PQ. Side PQ is divided 2:1. See, so what is total? So in PQ, which is bigger? PG is bigger or GQ is bigger?
Yes.
PG or GQ? Which one is longer?
Sir, PG or GQ? Sir, PG.
Array, GQ is long, it's not look long. Which is long?
Sir, PQ, yes.
GQ. See, when we say 2:1, which one is 2? 2 part is the coming from the vertex, this side. So this part is 2 part. This is 1 part. So total divided into 3 parts. 2:1 is 3. So what is 1/3 of 15?
One side.
What is 1/3 of 15?
Sir, it will be 5.
So that's why 1/3. What is 2/3 of 15?
10.
That's why. So I'll clarify again. See, very simple, everybody. Suppose this is triangle. See, it does not matter what kind of triangle. Does not matter really. I can draw any weird triangle also. This one also. Okay. But see what I'm trying to say again. Now I draw a median. Median is divided into half. Median from here is divided into half. Median is divided into half. Opposite side. Correct? So now this point what we got, this one is your centroid. Suppose this is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is F. And this suppose say O is the centroid. Clear everybody? Now tell me AO and OE. Which one is bigger, Sanvi? AO or OE?
AO is bigger.
CO or OD?
CO.
FO or OB?
FO.
Correct. Because from coming from the vertex, what happens is everybody divides into 2:1. It means if suppose OE, tell me O is how much? Tell me anything number from your side. Say O is 3, suppose. Then AO will be double of that. So 6.
6.
So total is 9. So out of 9, 3 is OE, 6 is AO. Similarly, if I say your OD, so OD is 5. So how much will be CO?
10.
So how will be total CD? 15.
So 15.
So always 2:1, the centroid. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good guys, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
See, this solid principle of triangle will be very useful. Not for now. When you do all geometry, triangles should be very solid. The most important property was sum of 2 sides should be greater than third side. 180-degree total angles. 3 angles, 3 sides, 3 vertices, and types of triangle. This is the core part of triangle. On top of that, everything is a property only. Okay? Any question? Again, 1 hour passed so fast. Good. See, this AM3 is a deep course. It's not a fun course, right? It's real geometry, right? So we are going to learn basic so much concept. Now we are going to do tomorrow some more theorems of triangle. Interesting theorem. Fine.
Sir, I wanted to ask, sir, you said you'll give homework about the core maths.
There's no time. I am taking lunch at 5 p.m. Tell me, there's no time. I will do that. But give me time. Today, tomorrow, I'll do. I will work on. There's no time at all. There's so many things are pending. I'm getting mad.
Okay, no problem, sir. I
I'll
thought you
definitely do.
forgot.
No. I'll not forget. I'll do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's all, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
meet tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.